Welcome to another update on the trailer stuff. This is actually to do with the wiring harness. This is the 4-pin itself. There's one T-junction per side. We've got a positive, we've got a ground. I might not get all this done tonight, but I wanted to get the lights wired up. It's currently -5. We had about 14 inches of snow dumped last night, so there's tons of snow everywhere. I was unable to secure garage space for this, but I really want to get it done, so I said, you know what, I got to just kind of attack it and kind of hope for the best, I guess. So here we are. Nothing really to report as of now. We're just kind of plugging away. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that I ripped the car apart. I only have about 40 more minutes of light before I start using my phone as a flashlight. So got to get to it. Wait for more updates. Oh, this has been nothing but an absolute nightmare. I got this side fished through the grommet as instructed. There's a grommet through the actual body down here that seals it off. It was damn near impossible to fit all that thing through, but it does tee and it does work pretty good. So that's fine. And then it was repeat the steps over here, which as you can tell I got it. The problem is this wire for the car actually wires off just behind the body and it goes down to the running light and then across to the other side, so it doesn't actually pull back through the car and come out. So that was an absolute nightmare. Said nothing about that in the instructions. To do this properly, realistically, you have to take the bumper off. What I did to get in there to pull the wires, feed the wires back in, was a long pair of barbecue tongs. I've been fighting it, this one part, for like 25 minutes. And then the rest is just fished through there. I gotta cut a little notch in the grommet itself and then plug it back in. I should be able to plug in my taillights and they should work just fine. And I'm probably gonna call it a night there because my level of frustration is about 8,000 right now. It is freaking cold and it is getting much colder by the minute. So I would like to get some more progress done, but that's an update. Barbecue tongs saved the freaking day. Okay, we've dropped to about -10 or 11. It's absolutely bitter cold, but the car is back together. I freaked out a little bit because when I put the tail lights, plugged them in, the running light here on the outside just turned on. Both sides just on. Don't know if they're on the front. No idea. What had happened was the connector here. Oh, you can't even see it. There's a connection, an inline connector on the end of that red wire. I guess it was close enough to the battery. It was picking up a positive. And it was firing up the good old running lights. I think that's going to be it for now. I'm so cold. I just want to grab my tools and go inside. So we're going to call it a night. I got to wrap up my my video here for the brake controller. I did get it wired. This is it here, just chilling with the fuse in it. Of course, it comes with a 10 amp. I am going to carry a few extras in the trailer in case I need it, but I did run the ground to the accessory terminal over there on the battery and the positive. I just tagged in with the 3 other things I have: dash cam, subwoofer, and now trailer brakes. They actually worked perfect without any modifications. This is pretty simple. You just hang it out of the trunk, close the trunk on it. Seal kind of gives it a gasket so that it's sealed, but it won't damage the wiring. We've got plenty of wire hanging out. A lot of people don't like doing this because they think it's going to harm the wiring, but it's really not that concerning. The plugs actually wear out a lot faster outside the vehicle. The sockets in them and they corrode and kind of go to crap. So being inside is best, especially when I'm not towing every day. This is not like I'm a landscaper and I'm going to be towing this trailer around every day all day. This is maybe 2 to 3 days a month on the high side and every 2 months on the low side. I'm going to try to use the trailer a lot because I do have it, and I would like to try and make my life a lot simpler and have it packed the night before for events and have the car empty and be able to still use it as a sports car like you would think. So lights are an absolute success, and stay tuned. Trailer under heavy reno.